Rolling.
How'd this guy come from?
Just aim a little below center, squeeze her off. Too high.
Too high?
Yep. Maybe aim just a little bit below it, or I don't know, right at the base maybe? Seems like it's shooting pretty high right there. That one worked.
Just don't shoot my camera.
No guarantees. Hopefully I don't blow the can off the top.
Where'd you put it? Oh.
Propane tank. Where is it? Oh!
Fucking high! Where'd you... How the fuck did the propane tank go up? Straight up in the air. Is that the tank? Yes.
See if I can vaporize it on film. Is it recording?
Yep.
Got it. The whole top of the damn thing off.